Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Dji Mini 4. Probably you can pick up on Amazon, and I'm going to be going over my favorite things about it, things to just keep in mind when buying this product, as well as overall impressions. So first of all, the true vertical shooting on it, game changing. I had one of the older models, and it didn't have true vertical shooting. So having a camera that really is able to move it always. It has a nice protective case here that you can just take off. You can see the camera. The quality of it is chef's kiss, insane. I would say honestly, the hardest part of this drone is not how to use it, how to do anything like that in between. The thing that I struggled with the most was purely just opening up this spot and putting it back on. It's a few tries to figure out where did I put those, I was up to down. That's the hardest thing about it. But as you can see, really nice and compact. It's really great for traveling. And then you can just nice and easy move out all the different pieces. So when you are ready to go on the go and becomes open like this, the 4 Mini Pro has a bunch of sensors, which I'm a beginner when it comes to flying these drones, and it's nice that this thing is has so many sensors on it where basically unless you're putting it in the sports mode, it will stop itself. So it's super nice. I can't express how easy it is to use. I like connecting it to my phone. I just like using this controller. Super easy. Also compact here. Nice and you can control. And it comes with different adapters for this part as well if you have a different type of phone. Super easy to use, very beginner friendly, and the quality of the videos, I was actually pretty mind blown how high quality it is. The one thing I have to keep in mind about it is that you might need to buy an extra battery pack for it. I haven't yet. It lasts 30 minutes. But it is it's not going more than 30 minutes. That is something to keep in mind, that you might want to have an extra one, but you are able to charge it. It has a spot for an SD card, but you can also save it directly onto your phone. So that's a cool relic. So once I forgot an SD card at home, but I was still able to find it and save it directly onto my phone rather than onto the actual SD card. So you do have those options. And yeah, so if you're in the market for a drone, I could not recommend this enough. It's so lightweight, so easy to use, and it just gets a 10 on 10 for me. Take off.